On this week's Wig Talk Wednesday, I'd like to ask, what do you do, if anything, with your natural hair? If you wear wigs, do you choose to shave your head, keep your hair natural, and just wear wigs of any color, any length? You don't necessarily match it with your natural hair? Or do you try to dye your hair to match the hair color of the wigs that you purchase? In my case, many of you who are subscribers know that my natural hair color is a medium number 8 ash brown. I feel that that natural color is too dark for my complexion. I'm very fair and I'm freckled. So I like to color my hair, which I have done. I just recently colored my hair with L'Oreal 9N. So I chose a neutral number 9, which is a light blonde. Now, of course, because my hair is a number 8 ash medium brown, the color that it actually came out as is really either a warm, dark blonde, or it could be a warm, light brown. My struggle has always been, it doesn't matter if I color my hair a light blonde, if I bleach it, if I change it to a light brown or a dark blonde, I find it difficult to match a salon hair dye with a wig color. And I thought, because a lot of wig brands like Raquel Welch wigs, they give you the color code of the wig color. So back in the day, I thought, well, it's easy enough. I'll just tell my hairstylist, dye my hair this color, like a 9N, and then I'll just purchase a wig in a 9N. But it doesn't work that way, I've discovered. Now, this is a human hair wig by SUPERHAIRPIECES. This is Taylor. It is made out of Chinese human hair. It's beautiful. This is considered a budget human hair wig because instead of costing $2,000-$3,000, this one costs just a couple $100. I will leave the link to Taylor and a link to the wig review on Taylor in case you're interested. But for now, I'm just showing Taylor because I selected this Taylor in the color Caramel Champagne to match this color. And as you can see, the Taylor is actually more blonde, but I still wear Taylor. I absolutely love it. If you have any tips for matching your hair dye with wig colors, I know that there are a lot of ladies out there that would love to hear from you. Or if you shave your head and just don't even bother with your natural hair at all, we'd love to hear that too. Or if you do have your natural hair and you keep it that color, what are some of the tricks and tips you have for matching that with a wig? Well, thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to your comments and talking with you about this discussion in the comments section below. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.